Take a ride in the 2016 Sierra 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, bed liner, alloy wheels, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, anti-lock braking system. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, cooled seats, security system, MP3 player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.